Log in to the ITR portal. Input your username and password that have been provided to you by a representative into the fields provided and click Login to enter the voice broadcasting portal. Terms and conditions. Upon logging into the voice broadcasting platform, you'll be prompted with the Terms and Conditions acceptance page. Please read through the terms carefully, and when you're ready to accept the agreement, click the I agree box. Once you have read and agreed to each section, type I accept into the box below. Congratulations, you now have full access to the voice broadcasting platform. To begin, we need to specify the caller ID that will be displayed for the message being broadcasted. This is the number that will display on the recipient's call display. Select caller IDs from the Configure menu on the left. Next, click New Caller ID in the top right. This opens the Caller ID Creation Wizard to create a new caller ID for your broadcast. Input the number you wish to display and include some basic descriptions for future reference. You can input any 10-digit number you wish. Click Save when finished. The next step is to load the list we will be dialing. Firstly, select the phone lists from the Configure menu panel. Click New Phone List on the top right-hand side. In the Phone List wizard, name your new list relative to your broadcast for easy reference when we assign it to the campaign. And use the file browser to select the list in CSV format that you would like to broadcast to dial. Defining your list. The next screen will ask you to assign the columns for the list you have uploaded. Always remember that lead phone must be assigned to the column that contains the phone number to be dialed, and extern ID must be assigned to a unique identifier for each record. If you do not have a unique ID, you will assign this to the lead phone number as well. Click on the destination field on the left, then on the column in your file that you would like it assigned to. Click Save when this is complete. When your list has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in the list of datasets loaded in your account. If it does not appear immediately, click Refresh List on the top right. Setting up the broadcast campaign. From the Configure menu on the left, select Campaigns. Next, click New Campaign in the top right to launch the Campaign Creation Wizard. Set a name for your broadcast campaign. Next, go to the Answer Message audio field located under Campaign Audio and click the music note. To upload your audio file, click Browse located at the top of the audio window. This will open the file browser so that you can navigate to and select your audio file from your computer. Once the audio file has been selected, click Upload File. When the system has finished uploading your audio, it will appear in the Account Audio box. If it doesn't appear immediately, click Refresh List, located on the top right. You may now select your file in the Account Audio box by clicking on it to assign it to the campaign. You may repeat this process for the machine message if you wish to play a broadcast to an answering machine as well. To record a message by phone, click Record Audio, located in the top right of the audio window. This opens the wizard for recording a message over your telephone. First, type in a name for your audio message, then click Next. You will be provided with a toll-free line and PIN code to record your message. Please note, your PIN will expire within 5 minutes upon it being assigned to you. After 5 minutes, you'll need to select Record Another. When complete, click Done. Click Refresh List and you may now select your newly recorded message from the Account Audio box by clicking on it. Click Next in the bottom right of the campaign wizard when this is complete. Setting your dialer options. Use the Caller ID drop-down box in this screen to select the caller ID that you have created for this broadcast. You will also set the number of phone lines to dial on in the Max Ports field. 150 to 200 is generally sufficient for most broadcasts. The number of ports can be altered at any time during your broadcast from the main campaign screen. For a standard voice broadcast, leave the other settings at their default. Click Next when complete. Set your broadcast schedule. Check the box labeled Custom Schedule, and from the Schedule Time Zone drop-down menu, select Local Time relative to lead. This will dial each phone number according to your schedule within their specific time zone. Now you will drag the slider bars for each day to your desired broadcast time frame. Click the X on any days you do not wish to broadcast on. Click Next when complete. Assigning your phone list. In this next window, we're simply going to check the box next to the lists you have uploaded that you would like this broadcast to go out to. Click Next when this is done. Click Save in the bottom right of the window. You have now created your voice broadcast. Activating your broadcast. Your voice broadcast is now ready to launch. Double-click on your campaign from the list of campaigns in this window. From here, you will be able to review and, if need be, alter any of the settings you have defined throughout this walkthrough. The first thing we will want to do is test the current broadcast. Click Test Call from the top right of the screen and input the phone number you would like to run your test call to into the box provided. The system will now send a call for you to review your broadcast. It may take a moment for the system to send the call. You may change any of your settings for the campaign by navigating to their appropriate tabs under Campaign Configuration. From the main window, you may also change the assigned audio message under Audio Settings or your dialer options under Additional Settings. When you're satisfied with your voice broadcast settings, select the drop-down menu beside Campaign State, currently set to Paused, and select Active. Click Save in the top right, and your broadcast will initialize for sending according to the schedule you've defined. Your campaign is now active and will begin dialing in your defined schedule.